Stainless steel air shower is a kind of local purifying pharmaceutical clean room equipment, fixed on the partition between clean room and unclean room. It is used for shower and removing dust when personnel or objects entering into clean area. Effectively reduce dust source from entering into clean area after used, and keep clean area in normal working state. When the interlock door air shower working, open the door, turn on the fan and interlock system through the sensor, wait for 30 seconds, and automatically turn off the fan and interlock door after hearing the prompt sound to enter the working area of the clean room.